students, we have already learned how to change common nouns, verbs and adjectives into abstract nouns. There is an exercise given in your book in which in each sentence there is a word given in a bracket which has to be changed into abstract noun. Try out to solve the exercise and later we'll see the correct answers to them. Now let's check your answers to the exercise that you've already worked out. In the first sentence, honest is an adjective and the abstract noun is honesty. In the second sentence, innocent is an adjective and the abstract noun is innocence. In the third sentence, child is a common noun and the abstract noun is childhood. In the fourth sentence, pirate is a common noun and the abstract noun is piracy. In the fifth sentence, strong is an adjective and the abstract noun is strength. In the sixth sentence, wise is an adjective and the abstract noun is wisdom. In the seventh sentence, true is an adjective and the abstract noun is truth. In the eighth sentence, proud is an adjective and the abstract noun is pride. In the ninth sentence, ignorant is an adjective and the abstract noun is ignorance. In the last sentence, fond is an adjective and the abstract noun is fondness. I hope you have got all your answers correct.